Ahoy, this is Zdenka. Check this out. It fits into a freewheel case. You can use it with filters and lenses. You can fit it into Hohem gimbal. You can use it as a remote to start and stop recording. It also saves the audio directly here as a backup. Plus it has a zillion other features. Hohem, who is also a sponsor of today's video, created this brand new product called Hohem MIC-01. Today, let's take a first look at this new product. I'll show you how to use it, explain all features, and perform many different tests. This microphone has been created primarily for smartphones, but you can also use it with other cameras, tablets, and laptops. Hohem MIC-01 comes in two colors, black and white. I have the black version here. This is a lighting version for iPhone 14 and earlier models. Hohem secured MFI certification from Apple to ensure you get the best quality with iPhones. This one is for iPhone 15 and Android phones. They also offer two different packages. One is the receiver and transmitter without a charging case. That package is more suitable for solo creators who film vlogs or do live streaming, and the price is a little bit more budget friendly. I have here the second package, which is more suitable for someone who records interviews or simply needs two smartphones. Here is what is in this whole package: charging case, transmitter, receiver, Type-C charging cable, windscreen, and user manual. The charging case is magnetic, it all nicely snaps in. Each transmitter's battery life is 7.5 hours and up to 20 hours with the charging case. Plus the RX receiver has a Type-C charging port, so you can actually record and charge the smartphone at the same time. The microphone supports mono and stereo recording. All specification has been displayed on the screen. What I'm excited about is the fact that I can actually use it with this freewheel case. It fits in, no problem. I couldn't do it with the other microphones I have here. I don't know if that would work with even thicker cases, probably not. This will be the maximum, but it surely works with thin cases. All right, let's test all the features. This is a transmitter TX. This can also be charged separately. Here is USB-C port. Right beside it is slot for TF card, so you can record your audio here as well as backup. It supports up to 32 gigabytes card, where you can record up to 94 hours of audio. One thing to keep in mind is that once the card is full, if you don't erase it or format, then when you are recording, in order to get a space, it will start erasing the oldest audio. This can be also used as a standalone recorder. On the other side is 3.5mm port for attaching external microphone. Just another option if you need to hide a microphone. The external microphone is not included though. The microphone can be attached with a clamp or this magnet. So if you are wearing something where the mic would be too close to your mouth, you can position this lower with the help of a magnet. This is very helpful. Let's power it on. Just long press the power button. It has built-in omnidirectional microphone, so it catches sound from every direction, even when it is upside down. The power button also works as a shutter button. Press to start recording, press to stop recording. When you press it, it will blink once. Here's a native camera app. Here's the Blackmagic camera app. It works well. I have to mention here that some Android phones might not support start and stop recording in native camera app. So if that's the case with your phone, you will have to use third-party apps such as MC Pro 24 FPS. The very same button is also mute button. When you double press, the light will be white and now it's muted. Double press and now it's blue, unmuted. The lower button is noise cancellation and reverb. Let's talk about the noise cancellation and test it. First of all, the microphone has sampling rate of 48 kHz and a 16-bit depth, which is supposed to provide a very nice digital audio and remove any background noise at the same time. When the noise cancellation feature is off, it is solid blue and you are in high fidelity or no noise cancellation level. If you press one time, you will get to standard level and the light will be green. If you press again one time, you will get to strong level and the color will be yellow. If you press one more time, you will go back to off and the light will be blue. So blue, green, yellow. Let's test this. As you can see, there is an intersection behind me with a lot of traffic. So I want to see how the noise cancellation is going to sound like. So right now I don't have it on. The light is blue. So let me switch it. I'm gonna press one time and now the light is green. So it should be canceling the noise quite a bit as I'm talking right now. Not sure how much you hear the traffic behind me, but this is how it sounds if you have it on moderate. Now I'm gonna press it all the way to yellow. So now it should be the strongest effect, the strongest noise cancellation. Again, not sure what you hear right now. I don't have my headset on, but I will definitely check in a little bit. Since I'm already outdoors, let's do a distance test. We will see if I'm gonna lose the sound. I'm gonna keep going and keep going. Right now I selected the green moderate noise filter reduction, so that's the sound coming out. I'm just gonna keep going. It should go up to 100 meters, so we will see. And I'm quickly going. So this is the distance right now. I'm gonna keep going and keep going. Hopefully you can still listen to me. Reverb can be turned on with the same button. What is it? Reverb is automatic vocal enhancement. It will mask small imperfections in performance and provide depth and warmth to the recording. This effect adds a sense of space and depth to the sound, mimicking the natural reverberation that occurs in different environments. Simply double press to turn it on and double press to turn it off. When it is on, purple and blue lights will keep flashing. Let's test this feature. Right now, I switched the cameras. Right now, I'm recording with the iPhone 15 Pro. I have no microphone attached. This is the sound you would get without any microphone, just recording on iPhone 15 Pro. Let's attach the microphone. The microphone is on. You're listening to the sound from Hohem MIC-01 microphone. I did not apply the reverb feature yet. This is the sound you're going to get just with the blue light, the regular sound. Now, let me enable the reverb. The lights are flashing, so it should be on. So this is the sound you're going to get if you're gonna be using the reverb feature. It sounds surely very differently, right? And let me turn it off again and go back to regular sound. Now the light is blue and there you go. This is the regular sound from Hohem MIC-01. Let's take a look at the receiver again. When you are recording audio, you can plug in a headset to monitor real-time audio. I highly recommend having a headset with you when you go film on location. You can check the audio, and if any changes needed, you can tweak it right on the spot to have a great sound right from get-go. What I also like is that this receiver supports audio playback, which means that when you want to play the recorded video you just did to listen to the audio, you don't have to unplug it from the smartphone to hear it. You can also adjust the gain. You can increase the audio or lower it. There are two buttons here. To adjust gain on channel 1, double press channel 1. You will see a red light. Press plus to increase gain or minus to lower the gain. It has 5-level gain control. To exit, double press the plus or minus button. Wait 10 seconds and then you can continue recording. If you are going to be using this microphone with a mirrorless camera, I have to let you know that this receiver doesn't have a built-in battery, so you have to get something where you plug it in for external power. You have to also get a 3.5mm TRS cable, which connects to your camera, and it's not included in the package. What do you think, guys, about this microphone? Let me know in the comment section below, how do you like the sound coming out of this microphone? And how do you like the canceling noise features and the reverb? I would like to know your opinion. I'm gonna be using it in the upcoming videos for a while now to see how it's gonna react and behave in different environments, what sound is gonna be coming out of it. This is for those who would like to hear more from this microphone, so it will be used in the next videos. I always link all the gear used for the video I was filming. So all the gear I was using, cameras, lights and stuff, everything is always listed below each video. I will also link this microphone below for those who are interested to see the current pricing. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative, and don't forget to subscribe for more and check out perhaps one of these videos next. See you in the next one. Ciao, ahoj.